Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
Where you're at. You got the same one. Yeah. That's gonna be really cool, right? I'm gonna build this frame. You gonna help, right? Yeah, we go hide on the backside. Waiting for you guys. Because you guys are safe.
You guys are trying to hide from us.
Hide from the work. We don't want to work. We just want to hang out. Yeah, that's a good idea. This kid's got the right idea. We're gonna go eat. Let's do some more. How do we say this? We should. just like your dad. Your dad did that to me one time, you know that? He did the same thing. He put his face in front of the camera.
Hi.
You're just like Daddy. Boys are really letting their friendship show today. One crane together and it's over. He's got some food. Uh-oh, we gotta wait for little man. Time to go back and do nothing, so. There's a Peterbilt in there getting his big piece of precast unloaded. Just got back from eating a little diner. But yeah, we're all getting back in our trucks, getting ready to back in there. I'm first. So it'll be an easy deal. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough much. We sat down and ate and stuff and we joked around there, but there wasn't much to film. You know, a whole lot of ball busting for you guys, but there'll be plenty more, I'm sure. Yeah, we'll have some fun. These guys are clowns. Look at them. I can only imagine what they're gonna say when they walk by. They said, hurry up. Surprisingly, didn't say a whole lot. Yeah, good day out here, guys. So, getting ready to back in. Let's go break this thing down. Well, we just had boss man roll up and jump out in front. I got some mess going on, so don't mind it. But yeah, guys, unfortunately, we didn't get the crazy topics I thought we'd have and all the mess and joking around on the job. They said we went and ate, and we had, you know, my boss's kid with us and stuff, so we were keeping it fairly PG for him. But yeah, we had a really good day overall. We ended up getting done a lot earlier than we thought. We thought we were going to be there the entire day. We were only there maybe half a day, so not even. So kind of sold things short, and there's not a whole lot to see. We're just kind of cruising down the turnpike heading on back. So I usually don't show a whole lot of this, you know, unless all three of us are together and we're doing our thing. But there's not a whole lot to see when this is what we have going on. But I did want to just capture this for you guys, and especially like the front half of the video was awesome. You know, got some fun with his son and, you know, joking around with them guys, holding hands and such. Yeah, easy deal. Tomorrow, I'm not 100% sure what I have going on. I know the potential things, so I'm excited to see what run I get. I know somebody on Facebook said they'd love to see a load of logs, so I'm hoping I get a log run because that would be cool. I did have that one last week, or yeah, it was last week, Friday, but I couldn't film it. Like, I rolled up there in the dark, and it was all highway, there's nothing to see, but I was thinking about different ways, like how I could utilize it. So I'm gonna try to do that for you guys on this next log run. So give you guys some cool log shots, and that always makes for a good time. I like that run. It's pretty up north and stuff, so I like it. Oh, little clicker there. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. We're here at the yard hanging out. They're messing around with it a little bit. And I got myself some floor mats from a friend of ours, so big thanks to him for those. I'll get this washed up tonight, maybe tomorrow. We'll get them in the truck. But yeah, we had a good day hanging out. Me and Hudson here had a good old time. So you want to say it for me then, pal?
Please subscribe, brother.
There you go. Right on, guys. See you in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and